Today in CSS we are going to see Z index. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section I'm creating dot container. This is a class which we are going to assign to div, and within this container div we are creating three more divs. First div will be assigning class 1. After this div, one more div to which we'll assign class 2, and after this one more div, that is dot. We have assigned class 3 to third div. So we have three divs in container div. Now in head section, this is our style tag, and within this style tag, first we are giving our container class. We are creating container class. Here I'm giving position to relative, width is 500 pixel, height is also 500 pixel, border to 1 pixel, solid black, and here I'm giving margin to auto so that this container will be in horizontally center aligned. So margin is auto. Save. So this is our container. Now to put it a little down, we can give top margin also. So margin top 100 pixel. Better to give 10 pixel. So this is our container. Now within this container we are going to create three more classes, that is 1, 2 and 3. So for that, here dot 1, this is our first class which is assigned to first div in container, and here I'm giving width of 300 pixel. Height is also 300 pixel. Here we are giving position to absolute. Top side, we want that it should be 0% away from 0 pixel away from its top margin, and from left margin it should be 0% away, 0 pixel away. We are giving it a background color of red. Opacity to this color I'm giving is 0.9. It is more or less transparent. Then we want to give it a circular shape, so for that border radius 50%, and we can give it border also. Border is already given, I guess. Okay, border to 1 pixel, solid black. Save. Right now we are not giving any Z index, so this is our first that we have created it in class 1. Now for with class 2, here we are giving dot 2. Here we'll be doing same thing, but here we are changing this direction From top side it is 0 pixel, and from right side it should be 0 pixel. And here we have to change the color. This is our yellow color. Save. So this is our second box. And same way we are going to create class 3. Here we are giving left margin. You have to give bottom margin of 15 pixel, and left margin we are giving is 100 pixel. Save. Here we'll change the color also. So here I'm giving green. So here we have given opacity to each and every class color, background color. Here we have given red color and opacity is 0.9. Here it is yellow and opacity is 0.9, and here it is this is class 3 color with color green and opacity is also 0.9. Save. And right now it is looking like this. Presently green circle is at the top. After that it is yellow circle, and then it is red circle. Now if we are giving Z index to this class 1, Z index, here I am putting 1. To class 2 I am giving Z index 2, and to class 3 I am giving Z index 3. So here it is 1, red is with 1 Z index, 2 this yellow is with 2 Z index, and green is with 3 Z index. So green will be shown on the top. If we want this yellow box circle to be on the top, so here we are removing it from 3 to 2. We can put here any number, but this number should be smaller than the number which we want to be on the top. And here it is 3. So yellow box circle is on the top. Similarly, to give this red circle, if we are giving 3 Z index number to this red circle, then that circle is going to be on the top. We can even use negative values, like here we have used 3, so I'm putting here minus sign, minus 3. Here it is minus 1 with yellow circle, and here it is minus 2. Save. Minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So the circle which is having minus 1 Z index number will be on the top. After that minus 2 Z index number will come, and after that minus 3 Z index will come. So yellow was having minus 1, then green was having minus 2, and red was having minus 3. So it is at the last.